I own a digital marketing agency, and as a brand owner, I wanted to post regular post on my Facebook page. But now here thinking about the content and posting out on alternative days regularly is very time consuming and tiring task. In that case, I have set up a simple automation which automatically runs on alternative days, creates a content using Gemini, which is a powerful AI tool, and also it generates a relatable image for the same content. After generating the image and the content, it shared it as a new post on my Facebook page without any manual effort. And this process takes only some seconds. Sounds magical, right? So here on my screen, you can see a post that I have created using this amazing automation. Here the automation has run automatically, generated a content as per my niche, and then generated an image for the relatable content. And after that, automatically it has shared it as a new post on my Facebook page. And now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this simple automation for your Facebook page too. And to begin with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. You need to use ROMYT in the coupon section and you're going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first. And you can see two methods. One is create from scratch and the other one is create using AI. So here we are going to use this newly AI workflow builder launched in Pabbly Connect, and we are going to start a fresh chat. It says, hey, what would you like to automate today? So now I'm going to write a single line of prompt explaining my workflow, and let's see how it creates the same. Let me add that. It says at specific days, workflow should get triggered through schedule, then content should be generated via Gemini. After that, a relatable image should also be generated, and in the last, a new page photo post should be shared on my Facebook page. So this is a kind of a simple prompt that I'm going to give to this AI workflow builder, and after analyzing my request, it is asking which schedule Pabbly trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to use schedule workflow, and for the Gemini, we are going to select generate content first, and for the second action we are going to select generate and edit images for generating a relatable image. Then for the Facebook pages, we are going to select create page photo post, and here you can have a preview of your workflow. If the preview is correct, then you need to select approve and create, and here you have received a workflow link. So this is the workflow that I've created using AI workflow builder. Now here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here for scheduling a workflow, it says how often you want to run your workflow. You can see some options such as that regular intervals, once every day, days of the week, or dates of the month. So we're going to select days of the week because I wanted to run this automation on alternative days. And here we are going to select Sunday first, then Tuesday, then Thursday, then Saturday. Alright, so these are some frequent days, and after that we are going to select a specific time for these days. Let's select it as 12 p.m. Then we're going to click on the save, and you can see we have successfully received a response over here. That means we have successfully scheduled our workflow for these specific days. After scheduling our workflow, what I want is that I want to generate a content for my Facebook post using using a powerful AI tool which is Gemini. You can use another AI tools as well. Alright, we are going to build a new connection over here and it is asking for an API key. So to get the API key, we're going to click on this Google AI Studio account and you can see it has directed us to our Google AI Studio account. Here I easily got directed because it was already logged into my account in the same browser. From here, we're going to click on this Get API Key and under this, you can see some existing keys. For now, I'm going to copy the existing one. You can create a new one by selecting Create API Key. For now, we're going to add the API key and then we're going to click on this Save. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me for the text. So in this text column, I need to add the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI for generating the post content. So let me add that. Alright, here I've successfully added a relevant prompt where I've added some instructions for the AI. Then for the models, I've selected Gemini 2.5 Flash from the drop down and the methods as generate content. Then we're going to click on this Save and Send Test Request. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the content generated by AI. So this is a content generated by AI and with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after generating the content, we are going to generate the image for the same. So we're going to select an existing connection as we have already connected our Gemini with Pabbly Connect in our previous action steps. And for the model here, I'm going to select Nano Banana Pro for the image and here for the methods, we are going to select generate content. Then for the prompt, I'm going to add a relevant prompt over here. Let me add that. Alright, so this is a relevant prompt that I've added with the instructions and the detail as post content. So I'm going to enter the content generated by Gemini, but here instead of entering it manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means whenever we're going to receive a new data through our Google Gemini in our previous action step, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first and then we're going to map the generated content by AI. So this is the content generated. Moving forward, these are some instructions and here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. Then we're going to click on the Save and Send Test Request. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the file URL for this particular image. Let's copy it and open it in a new tab. And you can see this is the image generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. After generating the post content, we are going to share it as a new post on our Facebook page. And for that, we are going to build a new connection over here. Here, I'm going to select my desired Facebook account. And then we're going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So I easily got connected because it was already logged into my account in the same browser. Then here it is asking for a page, so I'm going to select my page which is Digital Dynamics, and for the photo URL we are going to map the URL received through Gemini, and for the description we are going to map the content. After adding the required details, we are going to click on the Save and Send Test Request. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new post on our Facebook page. Let's go and check it. And you can see a new post has been shared just now with the same content and the image generated by AI. So this is how magically this automation runs. Now every time at these specific days, this automation is going to get triggered and generate a content via Gemini. After generating the entire post content with the relevant image, it is going to share it as a new post on our Facebook page. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to automate your Facebook in minutes using Pabbly Connect. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.